you know, I came in at 4 o'clock and Erin had increased to a Category 3 hurricane in rapid intensification in just the last 3 hours. But let us start with the local radar first, seeing a few showers that continue to drift to the north coming out of Kerr County, affecting Gillespie County. We've got some rain, light rain in and around Fredericksburg, and a few showers that are approaching Stonewall. This is all very light stuff right now and nothing to get excited about. Yesterday we did have some late afternoon and early evening showers and storms that deposited 69/100ths of an inch at a gauge 6 miles northeast of Lockhart, 59/100ths at Cedar Creek in far western Bastrop County, and a half an inch at the LCRA Redbud Center on West Austin Boulevard. Live look from our Kreitz Market weather camera. The sun up at 6:59. We are looking at a mostly cloudy to overcast sky. More of these showers and thunderstorms are in the morning and afternoon forecast. Much of the activity today west of I-35, but a few mid to late afternoon showers and thunder showers will be possible from I-35 eastward. It'll be a dry slot overnight with a few possible showers before the sun comes up Sunday morning in the far western hill country, and then a few afternoon and early evening showers and thunder showers, but not much expected. And then Monday there'll be even more rain, this coming in off of the sea breeze. A few showers and thunderstorms during the mid to late afternoon, ending by early evening. How much rain over the next 3 days? Most rain totals will hold under 1/10 of an inch, but underneath some of these brief heavy downpours, we may wind up with some totals that will exceed 1/2 an inch. Today, the flood threat is marginal 1 out of 4 for most of the area, but you get into western Gillespie County and we're looking at a level 2. That level 2 extends southwestward from Gillespie County to a flood watch that includes Kerr County, and that'll be in effect through this evening. Most temperatures will be in the low to mid 90s this afternoon, with a few upper 90s possible in areas that don't get rain, but out in the hill country, some highs may not get out of the upper 80s. There is a heat advisory for Milam County for maximum heat indices up to 108 degrees. Yesterday at Cameron, the only reporting station that we could find that had a heat index reading, 106 was the highest yesterday afternoon. All right, here's more on Erin. Erin's winds are now up to 145 miles per hour, moving to the west-northwest at 20. There is a tropical storm watch for the northern Leeward Islands. There will be some high surf and some heavy rain from the northern Leeward Islands through the Virgin Islands and on to Puerto Rico. This is the eye wall of the storm. You can make out a well-defined circulation, very easy to identify as we continue to watch the storm move to that west-northwesterly direction. Here is the track of Erin. It remains a Category 4 through the weekend. It lowers to a 3 sometime Monday into early Tuesday, down to a 2 by late Monday night into Tuesday. This is going to create some high surf and some rip currents along the Atlantic seaboard. If you have plans to travel to the Atlantic coast, you will want to just pay attention to the breaking weather. Today, widely scattered to scattered showers and thunderstorms. 97 for the high today. We're at 99 tomorrow and Tuesday with lower rain chances. But as an inverted trough of low pressure heads to the west and lands in Texas, we have increasing chances of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday, and especially Thursday, with chances of showers and storms continuing Friday into next Saturday.